topic saying that the preparation of final accounts. We started to measure the financial performance by preparing income statement and financial statement. So to do that one, I said we need to have bookkeeping. That bookkeeping can maintain a single entry system and double entry system. Further, to maintain this book, you could have studied mathematics. Most of them are, since I told in my introduction class, some of them are engineering background, some of them are science background, some of them are very good in mathematics. So when you are studying on mathematics, you are expert in mathematics. So mathematics contains, 8 formula, 2 derivations. Similarly, right, in accountancy also, there is one thing which I will tell you later on. Now, to maintain books, any of this system, you need to have some guidelines. The guidelines is given by the expert. Generally accepted accounting principle. So this accounting principle further classified into two types: accounting concepts and accounting convention. Having said that accounting concepts and accounting convention, these accounting concepts is just an assumption which are having money measurement and business entity concept, money measurement concept, going concern concept, past concept, periodic concept. Right. Then similarly, accounting convention may be conversion of convertism and conversion of materiality, conversion of full disclosure. So these are the assumptions and prediction based on which books of accounts are recorded. There we stop. Next one. This alone cannot be useful for you to make it, because I told you the meaning of double entry system of bookkeeping. The bookkeeping meaning. I have not said double entry system, I said bookkeeping meaning. Bookkeeping is an art and science of recording the day-to-day business transaction. It is art and science of recording, systematic way of recording the books of accounts. What is the systematic record means? If you study science, systematic means it is a, you might have studied biology. What do you mean by systematic? They say systematic study of living and non-living things. That is called in biology. There is a systematic study of living and non-living things. Similarly, if you take the mathematics, there are 8 formulas and 2 derivations to work out or derive any answers in mathematics. Similarly, accountancy also is art and science. Science means, as you know, the study of living and non-living things. In books of accounts also, we use this word called science, because we need to maintain the books of accounts in systematic manner. It is an art. Art means a hobby. It's in a system in which you follow one particular system every day. For example, some of them are having very good habit. Early morning they get up, they will drink coffee. Without coffee, they will not get up from the bed. Some of them are having habit of drinking pure tea in the morning. That is morning. There are some people in the evening, before drinking, fill in the blanks. Whether tea, coffee, or other drinks also there, which I don't want to use in this platform. Without that, they will not go to bed only. Some of them are having, even they don't have breakfast, don't want to eat breakfast, don't want to have lunch, don't want to have dinner. But if they do their work, tea and coffee, with that they will survive. That is a hobby. Similarly, in accountancy also, there is a hobby that the moment a transaction takes place, there and then only you will record. That is the art of writing the transaction, but in systematic manner. What in a systematic manner? In mathematics, as I said, to derive any answer, you have 8 formulas to derive. Again, in science, the living study of living and non-living things. Having said all these things, accountancy is also having some kind of, that is called the rules of accountancy. That is called rules of accountancy, without which you cannot work out anything. It is not like in a mathematics, it is not like in a chemistry, it is not like in a biology. Where you can keep putting question mark, question mark, question mark, question mark. Some chemical will mix, some result will come that they brand is one product. But in accountancy, it is not like that. There are 3 rules of accountancy there. There are 3 rules of accountancy there, based on which your books of accounts are maintained. These particular rules of accountancy are classified into 3 types. One is personal account, another one is impersonal account. One is personal account, another one is impersonal account. This impersonal account further classified into nominal account and the real account, or the real account and the nominal account. So, These 8 formulas to derivation, what you are using in the mathematics, what the science word you are using for living and non-living things in biology, in accountancy also, there is a 3 rules. That people will say it is called the golden rule. If anybody knows why they call golden rule, I will be a this person to understand the meaning of why they say golden rule. Okay. So there are all 3 rules. One is personal account rule, real account rule, and non-account rule. Real account rule says, anybody knows this answer? Real account rule, personal account rule. When you have to apply personal account rule, personal account rule says debit the receiver and credit the giver. That is everybody knows. But the problem is when should we need to apply this personal account rule? Everybody is doubt, everybody is confusion, everybody finding difficult because they don't know the situation, circumstances when we have to use this personal account rule. I am here now to tell when you have to use the personal account rule. The personal account rule you have to use when an individual account is involved, when human being account is involved, when organization account is involved, or when a firm account is involved, or when a company account is involved. Any individual or human being, or any company, or any financial institution, or any organization names involved in a transaction, that time you have to use personal account. Say, for example, Ms. X deposited 10 crore rupees in the bank. Bank is a financial institution. Right? So the moment you use the word bank, immediately you have to use the personal account rule. Also applies when managing a recording transaction with entity account. Typically, when dealing with real people like customers, only one of the madam is given the answer, and she's given the answer saying that, sir, applies when managing or recording the transaction related to individual or the entity account. Entity means any business organization. Maybe it's an individual business organization, maybe it's a partnership firm, maybe a joint stock company, name any company or firm. Whenever company or firm may come, they will have to apply this particular rule. That's what this Aisha Afri madam is shared her answer in the screen. That's what I read. Applies when managing or recording transaction related to individual or entity account. Typically, when dealing with the real people like customer, suppliers, or employees, or organization like companies or firm. Whatever I explained, same thing only Madam Aisha madam also shared. So when this kind of accounts come, there you have to apply the personal account rule. What personal account rule says me, debit the receiver and credit the giver. So this should keep in mind. When we start working on the problem, there we will explain. Then the second one is the real account rule. When do we need to apply the real account rule? When any tangible, intangible assets other than the human being, other than the organization, other than the financial institution, other than the supplier. Supplier, individual are one and the same only. That's why you work on human being. The company are sometimes called as supplier company. So any other than this company, individual, organization, or any institution, assets comes. It may be non-current assets or current assets. Non-current assets may be land and building, plant and machinery, project equipment. Okay. Then current assets may be stock, debtors, cash, bank balance. When these kind of assets involved in a transaction, for example, X purchased land and building for 1 crore. So land and building involved. That is asset. So when these assets involved, you have to apply the real account rule. Next one, nominal account rule. When other than the assets, other than the human being, other than the organization, any other transaction involves. I can give you a mindset. What can be other transaction? The expenditure and losses, salary, wages, advertisement. So there are so many expenditure you will pay, no? Same time you may get some commission. These are called the nominal account. Nominal account is a account which you cannot taste. All this comes under nominal account. Say for example salary, say for example benefit, say for example telephone charges. These are the expenditure which you cannot see, which you cannot pay. This expenditure comes under nominal account. Now, so one personal account, second real account, third one nominal account. are put together, they call it the golden rule. When they call it the golden rule means your business consists of five elements. Keep this in mind. Very, very important topic. Point I'm going to tell you. There are five elements of business. One is capital, which is built by a businessman. Next one is a liability, which is borrowed by a businessman as a name of a loan and bought the goods on a credit basis. Second, third one is assets. So capital, liability, assets. Then expenditure and the losses, income and gains. So these are the five elements of the business. The business consists of these five elements. These five elements are covered with the three rules of accounting. Not like any Himalaya, like any other subject, wherein they will scratch or pick today to find it accountancy because they did not understand the meaning of accountancy. Why they did not understand the meaning of accountancy? Go back to the meaning of accountancy. They are not in a position to analyze. They are not in a position to classify. Classify means what? Whether this comes under real account, whether it comes under nominal account, whether it comes under personal account. They are not able to classify. Again, they are unable to classify whether it's an asset, whether it's a liability, whether it's expenditure, whether it's income. Because of that, they are finding till today the accountancy is very, very clear. So only the moment when I started saying that accounting meaning, analyzing, classifying, recording, summarizing, then business plan, then there I started still I was using the same word only. I never changed it. But some of them got upset, why this fellow use this fellow is using the same meaning again and again and again and again. Okay, so this is a large. Logically, I am teaching accounting because I got little knowledge to analyze and because see today you are in MBA, you are MBA student, but what word I am using the first few syllabus, first few reading and using. That time connecting to the MBA student who are done your UG, you are done your 12, you are done your UG, you are in the PG, and more than that, you have corporate experience like anything. The vast experience that I have, but still I'm correcting because it's academics. In academics, what we expect is this one only. And more than that, you are an expert. Now you might have support me, now you might agree that whatever I use in the word is really is connecting me everywhere. Today, why people are finding difficult to pass in journal entry? Because they are not in a position to analyze, classify. Once you can analyze, definitely you can classify. Once you can classify, definitely you can record. Once you can record, then definitely you can survive. Clear? So that is the main important thing. That's why they call it golden rule. Clear? Now, one important question I wanted to ask you, because since last 1.5 hours I am explaining you, I am giving lecture, I can read your mind voice. You are showing off so much in accountancy and you are talking about the definition given by some experts. Analyzing, classifying, recording, all those things that are fine, sir. Since we feel that you know little accountancy, can you define accountancy in your own words? Is anybody there to ask me the question, sir, can you define accountancy in my way? Because I asked one question, no, I am a lay person, can you explain the meaning of accountancy? I started with that only, now I am going to end with that only. Can you, would like to ask me a question? Sir, can you explain us? We are also common people now. We are in this side. Can you explain us what is accountancy? Or after having this kind of discussion, will you be able to explain us in simple word what is accountancy? You should ask me the question, then I will answer. If you cannot ask, open the video on the mic and ask, you can send a message. You can message. Put a message. If anybody would like to ask me a question, what is accounting? Anybody they ask?
Sir, like particularly if we see about the skills, so only like problem like problem logically, like solve the problem logically, that's the skill only required, right? So this in accountancy, in any like company's financial transaction, So how employees can add his more value to streamline the process more smoothly and to I'll say better to track and like make a kind of SOPs to to for any person. So what kind of skill actually required to detail orientate to solve the problems logically?
Now the trend what happened was still we need our basic knowledge. So what I explained today, that is the important knowledge. And to be very frank with you, 500 years ago, one Franciscan monk was a professor who wrote a book on mathematics. So in that mathematics, he just mentioned briefly about the bookkeeping. From there, the evolution of this accountancy started. But till this second thing, the second what I'm talking to, we have stick on to that one only. There is no change, there is no substitute, there is no option other than what is the book invented by the Franciscan monk 500 years ago. To still we following the basic rules of accountancy, basic principles of accountancy. But today's generation are very much comfortable with cyber security accountancy. I mean, what you call cloud accounting and AI accounting. Everything they think that because our accounts, our books of accounts are saved in the cloud. But at the end of the day, that's prepared by you and me only, no? So to prepare that one, and moreover, the software have come, and software is developed by you and me only, experts like you and me only, we develop the software. The software is making the people more lazy to learn the actual convention method of this particular accountancy. Those days, these people were very much conventionally understanding the subject and they are going to some account manually. Then computer came, then laptop came, then so many technology came, ERP and scanning, everything came. Now some of the cloud computing. People are just just entering the transaction by default, it goes to the concerned account and finally gets to the balance sheet. So because of that, we are unable to understand the real procedure of recording each and every transaction. So that is a big problem. You and me also, people say the CFO, CEO, they are not, what is doing, sir? The employees are there, they are just doing everything online, everything for computing. Just they are entering the transaction by default, it is going to concerned account, and finally, it will affect the books of accounts. So that is the problem, sir. Otherwise, it's very simple only. Anything else? Right.
No, sir. Thank you very much for the details.
Now I will tell you only one word and I will tell you this much I explain you, this much input I give and I challenge you, sir, the Chandu sir, saying that before I will stop the classes, I will make sure that you'll be happy. Right, so this answer I will tell you, then I will make sure that sir will not say no to my answer. But this much I explained everything is academic purposes. But as an individual, if you ask me what is accountancy, accountancy is nothing but your common sense. If you want me to prove this throughout this semester or throughout your accounts, I prove. Since you should.
Pardon, sir?
Yes,
So
madam.
what you said, sir?
Accountancy is nothing but your common sense, I told.
Okay.
That's a very, very oft word I am using it. If you want, I will, you give a situation, I will prove. Today I am explained this much because of that presence of mind only. In the presence of mind, you should be in a position to analyze and classify each and every transaction and your record. Each one are defined, each one are giving so much definition. I give my own definition. Here, today onwards, you just apply and you just start working out and you will get the answer. Since I did not get much chance to explain in the board about the rules of accountancy, otherwise I could have done the best for you. Anyway, one more session if I get a chance, I will explain in detail. That will be the basic foundation, a strong foundation for people to build the accounts and finance. So one of the students asked me, sir, what is the difference between accounts and finance? If that person is there, somebody asked me, sir, what is the difference between accounts?
Ah, yes, I am there, sir.
Yes. Very good. Very good question you asked me. I will discuss with you, no problem. Before I go this, I will tell you the answer. Yeah, because I will get the answer from you very early. Don't worry. you would like to share, would like to ask me any question. Hereafter, you just keep in your mind this word that I use, it is nothing but a presence of mind only. Very rude way I told you. So you can make it up. Anything else would you like to ask? Question? So this is all about your basic things which we told you. Based on this one only, you will be working out some of the problem on final accounts, some of the problems on cost accounting, then financial accounting. Management accounting. Now, this particular accountancy, what I was talking to you, as having the branches of accounting. There are three branches of accounting. One is financial accounting, which we are discussing still now. Then another one is the cost accounting. The third one is the management accounting. So this we need more time. Maybe we will see next session if I get a chance. I will explain you this. But today we stop here. If anything is there, you can ask me. In another 10 minutes we'll have a discussion. Then we will wind up with the class for today.
Not for now, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, maybe one more session if I get, I will just one more topic I will take. Then I'll complete the one topic for you so that on that we can work out the problem.
So we have all problems to explain to solve because I am very new to accounts, don't know anything in accounts.
Don't have explain this much time.
No, sir, the problem, sir.
So here you should understand the basics first.
Okay.
The basics and you work out the problem.